YouTube, what it do, what do you watch, other video. This video, I'm gonna be doing a trade breakdown on SPX. This is a trade that I took today. I'm gonna try to be, just as transparent as I possibly can. I'm gonna break down this trade that I took right here. I had another $123 win on US 30. This EU trade, I realized very quickly I should not have been in this trade, so I got out. But to start off the month, hey, up to $100, cool. But the main topic of this video is going to be my SPX trade breakdown right here. So we about to get right into it. This shouldn't really be like a long video either. It's gonna be very to the point. I'm just break down my thought process, my top-down analysis, and go from there. So, my previous video, I talked about how I mentioned it took me 5 years to finally find my edge, and I feel like I'm making the transition more towards more of a swing trader than like a, intraday slash day trader. So with all that being said, to get into the breakdown, I started on the weekly time frame. As we're looking at the weekly, um, you can tell the overall direction is there you go. Okay, so as you can see, the overall direction is going up. So I zoomed in, some more recent price action, higher low right here was broken, lower high would have put it right here. As you see, price broke through. So we've been uptrend. Uh, so weekly overall is bullish. Go down to the daily. Um, Same thing. We had a high, higher low, higher high, price broke structure. So low, lower high, lower low, price broke above. We have a high, higher low, chop, 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 chop. Close above right here. So my higher low would be right here. Price didn't close beneath. So weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish as well. I went to the 4 hour. Now I zoom in. Uh, this was a lower high. That was broken. This was a lower high that was broken. So now we're bullish on the 4 hour as well. These are more minor structures. Minor. This is minor structure on the 4 hour, but major structure on one, which is why I have these two clipped right here. So the 4 hour structure broke. So now the weekly is bullish, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish. Everything was pretty much saying we're looking to buy. So me seeing all of this morning, price we are right here. So I go to the 1 hour, zoom in. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. Again, same thing. Lower high was broken. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Kind of chopped a little bit, made somewhat of a high, chopped a little bit more, made another high. So my entry was right here on this blue engulfing candle right here. Stop loss was right here. And like I said, although I do identify myself more leaning more towards swing trading, this trade played out uh within like 2 hours. So it may kind of look like a day trade, but my overall like top down analysis, starting from the weekly, coming all the way down to the 1 hour. Uh, this is pretty much how the trade played out. It was a nice textbook trade, and yeah, that is pretty much the end of this video. My goal is to make more content like this, more trade breakdowns, to where I break down my top-down analysis so you can understand, um, un pretty much just understand like what I see, and maybe this can, help improve your journey as well. Yeah, other than that, that'll be the end of this video. Whoever comes across this, again, I hope this can really help you and control what you can control and let God control what you can't. I'm gone.